Saturday morning. We're heading over to the unit at the moment. We're going to pick up the trailer because Tom's bought himself a new little car, a little old van, and it needs some work doing to it. So we're going to pick it up, bring it back to the workshop so he can carry on with it with a bit of advice while I carry on with my challenge truck.
Oh, motherfucker.
If you guide the tow bar and just direct me left or right.
Stop. A little bit. Stop. Perfect. Yeah. Yeah. Brake lights, yep. You alright?
We're going over to pick up a Corsa van for Tom. He's managed to get a van. Yeah.
Where is the trial? Is it over
It's in the original trial field.
In Harrow?
Yeah.
Are you coming tomorrow?
I've been ordered to.
So here we are, about to make a
Daylight robbery.
Yep, daylight robbery.
3/4 of a tank required.
It's a wee horse. Such a lovely time of year as well. I like this time of year. Well, here we are. We're just waiting on Tom to show up. Richard is getting the trailer ready. And this is the wee van Tom's going to get. That's strange. Cute, look at that.
The steering rack is definitely fucked.
Vauxhall combo, just going to be using it for getting to work and back. The steering's knackered and got a new steering rack in it, so just needs repairing and MOTing and putting on the road.
I'm going to get a bar and we'll try straighten the wheels up first.
Decent,
wow,
actually.
something that's empty for once rather than filled with shit.
Yeah.
Wonder what that'll be like in 2 weeks.
It's not bad.
So if you can straighten the wheel up, it's probably easier going on the other side.
I think.
Because there's no hubcap on the other side. Go here, because your leverage will be best. There you go. That's not solid.
Like steering lock.
Try again. Good. Good.
That's straight.
One more.
I'll reverse it up so it's dead straight.
If you need a hand, give us a shout.
Yeah, we need a hand. Yeah. We've got to just back the trailer up to it.
Yeah, I'd go a little bit more at that. There you go, that'll do you. Yeah. Spot on.
Get ready to brake if we scream.
Hold on. Ground wants moving over a bit.
I'll just shake it on, let it come off.
Ideal, but
Well, can we turn?
Brake on it.
we need to turn right hand down a bit.
No, just hold on.
Turn right hand down a
Relax.
bit, and then we'll be alright.
okay? About there. Yeah, handbrake restrained. In gear. Thank you very much.
No problem, mate.
Made
All
life
right.
easier.
All sorted, yeah?
Ramps, Tom. Yeah, no, that's great. I'll strap it on.
Spot on, mate. All right.
Cheers.
See you soon. Ta-da. Good. Yeah. I've got some money in my pocket for you.
How happy are you to see the back of this van?
Take the trailer, the phone box, take it all. Yeah,
What's the
I'm
story with the
happy.
phone box?
I'm happy. Yeah,
How
we're
long-
storing it.
How long have you had that?
How long have we had it? A year?
I was only a year.
Yeah, yeah.
That's not so bad.
Yeah.
What's the plan for it?
I'm going to restore it.
What for?
I don't know.
Oh,
What they're doing with them now is they're converting them into AED stations.
And libraries?
yeah,
Yeah,
We know when Tommy's coming home to the village, don't we?
yeah, it's usually a phone call.
It's usually 3 people.
I think I've broken down.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I would.
Hello, you. Hello. MLC 4x4 on YouTube. Stands for midlife crisis.
Really?
Yeah.
I love that. I love a meaning to a name, and that is.
So here's the truck back at the unit. Tom's going to start working on that. And then when we got here, these two had lifted this quad bike onto the back.
Both of you round this side, okay?
I was just going to push it off.
If you bring it out, you'll be able to lower the rear wheels on the ground so it's in a wheelie. Because you've got this to hold on to. I'll try and keep the front on the back. Keep going. There, now lower it to the floor. There you go. Oh, it's good then. There you go, drop it down.
There you go.
Job done.
Job done.
Down with- Right, Tom, we've got this truck over here for you. And it's dead and on a trailer, so what's your plan?
Fix it.
There you go. Alright, put your choke on.
What?
So Brady, Buddy Mechanic,
Turn your lights off.
how are you going to get it working?
God, look at that.
Gonna let Richard crack on with it.
Dad just turned down a 20 quid bet now.
Why?
I bet him he couldn't drink the whole bottle of Sprite without burping.
But that's a stupid bet.
For 20 quid?
Yeah, but that's just you getting 20 quid.
Where's the squirt? You got one? You got it.
So it's not turning it down,
over.
it's just
What's that do?
the odds were not in his favour.
No, oh, there you go.
Hold it there.
Well, you keep them in there. Well, I didn't mean to, but they're looking at them, they're dying now. Yeah, I'll get some water and everything.
Your pigeon's going to be alright with food.
I fed them, haven't I?
What, did you double feed?
Go on then. No spark.
Huh?
No spark.
It is.
Right, let's wind it over. What?
What?
Spark plugs out.
Oh
No wonder it turns over, okay?
Really fixed it. No spark plug. Where's the spark plug gone, man?
No, it's in it. It's just
Weren't in it.
That's aloe vera. And
Hello.
that's mother's, sister's, auntie's something.
Spark plug cap.
Yeah, go on, yeah.
It is.
Go on then, wind it over.